Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azeem and I am back here with another new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you the new cool not real, and if you do anything wrong then you will be responsible of that activity. And then we have the scare photo feed. In this feature you can just edit your photos, you can add presets, you can add some filters and adjust the photo size, and you can change the orientation of photo in any direction, so it can really help you to set the picture. And after that we have the recovered deleted WhatsApp messages and chats. So you will first of all need to give the permission of chats, and then here you can see that here will be the messages that were deleted from the users, messages, images and audios, even the status. And this is also really cool feature of this app. And the last one is also cool feature called ASCII faces. It contains a lots of faces made up of math symbols and brackets, you can see, and you can just copy them and send directly to any user on WhatsApp. So that was our today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.